applied for an MSME loan and it got rejected. Don't worry. Many business owners face this, but knowing the reasons can help you get approved next time. One of the most common reasons for rejection is incomplete documentation, like missing KYC, business proofs, or financial statements not uploaded properly. Always double-check before you submit. A low credit score, whether personal or business, might reduce your chances of approval. Maintain a healthy profile by making timely payments. A consistent business record helps build lender confidence. Highlight your steady growth and reliable revenues. Rejection may also happen if the loan purpose isn't clear. State how you'll use the funds and present a repayment plan. If you are carrying too much debt, banks may view your business as over-leveraged. Keep your borrowings balanced so that the repayment plan looks manageable. Ready to grow your business with the right funding? Apply for an MSME loan with HDFC Bank today.
Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.